We have given statement and we have to classify if it's true or false. First, we have to determine simple statements. So first simple statement will be 4 plus 3 equals 8. This is our, let me put P. And next we have 8 plus 10 is different than 18. This will be our Q. We have word OR between these two statements, between these two simple statements. So OR represents our symbol, this, and this is for disjunction. So we have P or Q. Disjunction is false only when both statements are false. So let's check first statement. P is simple statement. 4 plus 3 equals 8. 7 equals 8. No. So this is false. Q is 8 plus 10 is 18. 18 is different than 18. No. So this is false. So we have false or false. When we have disjunction false or false, this is false statement. Like I said before, disjunction is false only when both statements are false. When one of them is true or both true, our statement will be true. But both are false, so our statement P or Q is false. This is my solution.